Okay guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to clean a Windows 10 PC. In case you're running out of storage or insufficient space, just follow these simple steps so as to get your Windows 10 device storage enough for you. But if it's your first time in my channel, please hit the subscribe button under below and click on the notification bell icon so that if I release any brand new videos, you will get updated. Okay, let's get into the video. So what you need actually to do is go to the search button and click, then type the word run, then click the app. So you need to type the word temp, then click OK. A new window will come and it will show you the whole of this stuff. So you just actually need to highlight the whole of them by clicking Ctrl A, then delete all of them. Then close the window and go to the search button again and type the word run again. Click on the app again. Then this time type the word percentage temp percentage and click OK. A new window will pop up on the screen and it will show you these files and folders. So just do what you did to the last window. Highlight the whole of them by pressing Ctrl A and delete all of them. Then head to search button and type the word run. Then just click on the app again. And this time type the word refetch. A new pop-up window will come here, and what you do to the last files, just do to these other files too. Click over there and Ctrl A and delete them. So some of these Windows files they can't be deleted, so just skip them and leave them alone. Then close the window. Okay, so the next step is to go to this PC, then on your local disk right click it and head to properties, then go to the tools bar. guys, if you look at my storage space, it has increased. It is not the same as the last time. So that's how to clean your Windows 10 PC and gives you sufficient storage space. Okay, thank you guys for watching this video, and please comment, like and share it.